We're going to be going over the SoStocked FBA Size Tiers Optimizer, also known as the Product Resizer tool. What this tool does is it looks at your product weight and dimensions and what current fulfillment fee tier you fall under, and then looks for opportunities to reduce that fulfillment tier into a lower tier so you can pay less in fulfillment fees based on reducing your product size and or weight. Now, there is a caveat to using this tool. This tool will give you exactly what you need to do to qualify for the next lower size tier. However, as Amazon periodically remeasures your products, if your product, for example, gets squashed in transit, it could go over the tier limit, and Amazon would then put it back into that higher size tier. So you'll likely want to reduce your products a bit more than what is recommended in order to prevent that. Let's go ahead and do an example. Your unit dimensions can be given in inches or centimeters. You can also use your units of weight in pounds, ounces, or grams. So you would just grab your ASIN and plug it in, then grab your longest, median, and shortest sides. And then your actual product weight. And lastly, your annual sales. And this can be an estimate. Then you click the Calculate button, and you're going to be prompted to enter your email to activate the tool. So once you've activated the tool via your email, you're going to get your current size tiers. So it's going to show what the current size tier is for this particular product. So this is a large standard, and the weight range is 4 to 8 ounces. The other thing to consider is that if the weight doesn't look right, it's going to be looking at dimensional weight. So the dimensional weight, it may override the actual weight. So your billable weight is going to be based on your dimensional weight or your actual weight, whichever is greater. So you can see here that the actual weight is greater than the dimensional weight. Then it's going to give you your annual sales, the current fulfillment fees, and your current annual fulfillment fees. Then you're going to have the section for adjustments and savings. It's going to show you the different savings that you could make if you made certain adjustments. So if you look at this product here, we see that if we were able to adjust our weight by just 0.12 pounds, we're going to save 22 cents per unit, reduce our fulfillment fee to $3.86, and because we're selling 63,000 units per year, that's going to save us almost $14,000 per year just by making this minor change. So that's in the weight category. We can also look at the size category. Now this is a bit too much, right? It's a little bit difficult to reduce your product by 0.71 inches. It's almost a full inch. You may not be able to get to that point, so it may be a little bit difficult to make these changes. You also have the ability to make 2 changes to your size and to your weight and to reduce your fees. The most realistic one that we could use is this version right here, the weight tier. The weight tier seems very easy. The size tiers less so. So we'll go with this version, but still saving $14,000 a year is actually pretty impressive. Once you're done, you'll scroll down and you have the ability to print your report. So you just click this button and print your PDF. So it's going to download, and then you will be able to open it up here. You can see the results laid out in this PDF, and then you can of course download it. Hope you find this useful, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.